get your name?
Yeah, Ryan Gibson.
All right, Ryan. Could you tell us maybe what issue you had today?
Sure. So I had some issues. I had some groundhogs that were burrowing under my front walkway here, and they had created a void that I needed filled, and didn't know of a good solution other than to call you guys and see what you could offer.
All right. And after me and Malik came down here with the poly crew at Fortress, would you say it got resolved?
I would definitely say that it got resolved. This was a good way to kind of fill that void in.
Let me call you back in 2 seconds.
Certainly, since I had no other way, I talked to some other companies, some concrete, and they said there was no way to get in there. So this was the good solution for us, and it certainly looks like it took care of the problem.
All right. And one last thing, would you recommend maybe family or friend to reach out to maybe
Absolutely,
Fortress?
absolutely. Yeah, you guys did great.